Hi guys, welcome to a new location. Today we are going to Chiang Dao. Chiang Dao is a picturesque village located at the foot of the Chiang Dao mountain, 75 kilometers above Chiang Mai. We are going to visit a cave temple, a temple with a beautiful viewpoint. We are going to eat something in the village itself, and afterwards, if we still have time, we are going to visit a very special waterfall. And today I rented a scooter, this scooter, and I paid 300 baht for the day. So it was quite the long ride, but I'm happy that I arrived here in Chiang Dao at the cave temple. So the Chiang Dao cave is the main attraction here in the region. It's a 12-kilometer long cave, and you can visit the whole part, but you have to take a guide for that. I'm not going to take a guide, but you still can visit a part of the cave alone. Look how beautiful this place is. I'm here at the entrance of the Chiang Dao cave. So the entrance fee is 40 baht, very cheap. It's just for the maintenance and for the electricity inside the cave. Very interesting place. Check all these statues out there on top. Part of the cave that you can visit without the guide is actually pretty long. Still going.
Start you like a spirit of a boy inside your home. They protect your home and they make good luck, laughing. Yeah, they're laughing. Oh, sorry.
So yeah, that was the end of the cave that you could visit, but you can visit a really large part of the cave already without a guide, and only for 40 baht. Yeah, it's definitely worth a visit here, and I think with a guide it's also really interesting, but I don't have the time to do that today. Now from this cave temple you can also walk a nature trail to the next temple. It's at a beautiful viewpoint. Or you can also take just a scooter. First I want to find the nature trail so I can see how much distance it is, how long it takes you to walk up the hill, because it's gonna be a steep climb for sure to the temple. So this way takes you back to the parking lot, but it's 1 p.m. Maybe the best way to go to the temple now is take my scooter, because if you are there you also need to walk 500 steps to the temple and then you have a beautiful view. But I also want to eat something in Chiang Dao itself and afterwards go to a special waterfall. So, and I have to be in Chiang Mai to return my scooter at 6 p.m. That's why I don't have that much time. We arrived here at the next temple. Look how beautiful, wow! What a view! So we just arrived here at the Plong. This temple is high on a mountain, so we have to climb a couple stairs, I think. So here it starts. There is a chance to get refreshed once you are tired, but there is no chance to relive your life once you are dead. Be good from within. Make your heart a beautiful one from within. This is accomplished through inner work. It's quite different than being good on the outside and doing good deeds. Such outer goodness does not create anything stable or lasting. I think that is a temple. But it looks like it's under construction. That would really be a bummer. Although this path is so interesting and beautiful and interactive that it is still worth my time. Abandon anger. Don't raise it. Having anger in our hearts is like raising a tiger as a pet. One day it will bite us and everyone else. Wow, deep. The closer we come to that, the more we must be concerned with diminishing our mental impurities. The last few stairs. They have a massive spider. Not my cup of tea. So it's time to leave the charm of this authentic northern village called Chiang Dao. We are now going to the sticky waterfalls. It's a 1 hour ride from here, so let's go. So guys, I just arrived here at the parking lot of the sticky waterfalls. I only have 30 minutes before I leave to Chiang Mai to return my scooter. So I think you can walk down here and you can choose which level you start. The lower you go, the longer you have to climb up. And believe it or not, but the entrance to the sticky waterfall is free. I think I will start here. so much fun to do. It's like a water theme park. And it is really sticky. Now we'll have to use the rope, because with one hand I'm going to try to keep the camera. Oh no. This is better. You have so much grip on these rocks that you sometimes even don't need the ropes. It's powerful. This is so much fun. You know, last week I was at Erawan National Park at the waterfalls, and I had to pay 300 baht, and this is just free. All you need to do is to skip the dark spots. Those are slippery. He's also slippery here. So we made it. So this was extremely pleasant, especially also if you have children. Now let's go back to Chiang Mai. We should be on time. So we arrived 30 minutes on time. So I think we had a wonderful day. We visited the Chiang Dao caves. The second temple was also really beautiful, and afterwards the sticky waterfall, also a unique experience. So good day here in Chiang Mai. Tomorrow I will leave to the monastery for a couple of days. Afterwards I come back to Chiang Mai. I will try to make the best possible vlog about it. So I will end this vlog here. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and a reaction in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Location, and I will see you again in another location. Ciao.
If you send me the location, then I'll be right there.